Some birds go up in the sky, birds fly by. Where are the birds going? Some birds migrate to other places to for the years. Many migrate before winter in order to survive. This bird migrate for fruit in the winter. It return for worms and insect in spring. This bird migrate in a safe flock. This bird migrate at night and rest during the day. This bird migrates when the air grows too cold. These birds often migrate alone. This bird migrate in the flock of thousands. This bird migrate across the water without stopping. Some birds fly down the mountain to migrate. Some birds fly thousands of miles to migrate. Wherever these birds go, they always come back. Goodbye.